So, parent from dot/parent view is here. So, but this is not where I wanted to. But anyways, it's working. What I want to do is like set a bunch of names. You did it, and then just a list right here. So to do so, I think I'll have to remove this from here. Put it to hello world. And do this on the import script. So, and call parent over here. Yeah, it worked. So I want to go to child, and I want to actually comment out this and comment out this. Name, you did it, and then we're gonna just do you did it John Doe, and then you did it. I want something like that. So to do so, I guess I'll have to put the hello world, this part over here, this green part. I guess I will do it in right here. So I do something like this. Child, this. You did it. This part we will use others and child. So once you reload the page though, just like frozen, you did it, and You did it, frozen yogurt, and then child. And here you can, in parent.view, you can call this name. Let's set a name for, let's say, John Doe here, and then here we're gonna set up, I'll call me, I'll do Steve Jobs, I don't know, someone else. And you did it, John Doe. So it actually maps towards this, so child v4, it just maps. So it maps through all of it. So index equals index names array. So I guess the main job is this. There's another one thing. Let's see if we can do it. It's just some CSS thing. If I do something like this, class equals green. No, because I can see that this is bold. So like this is bold. I don't know why, but this seems to have a font weight. So you can see the font weight is 500. I don't know why. I think that this one gets, because of it's an H1 element. If I call this an H1 element, it will, you did it, it's gonna be like this. You did it, but it's not what I want. So I am just gonna go to class green custom, and go to where it's importing these tiles. I think assets main .css. You can actually just font weight. So it's like .custom font weight and set it to 500. Bold. It's not changing. Green custom, so it's not changing. I don't know if it's because of these cache. No, it isn't. Anyways, you can do this. H1. Yeah, that's done. So you did it, John Doe. My name, Lara Pimentel, Steve Jobs, etc. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. For watching this Vue.js. This is one of the first parts. So we went from nothing, from not knowing, just some JavaScript basics, to building something on Vue.js. It maybe be something simple, but I'll be posting and recording new projects, new development using Vue.js. So that's all for now. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.